today's video, we will discuss line training functionality. There are two ways to assign a crew member to line training. The first way directly uses the flight to which the crew member is assigned. First, in the crew part of the timeline, click on the specific flight with the right mouse button. The Add Training option will appear. It's the second one from the bottom of the list. Click on it, and then select between the line check and the line training. In this case, it's line training, of course. Then, we can add the planner notes and the pilot notes. Once the line training is created, an orange triangle will appear in the top left corner of the flight aisle. Upon clicking on this aisle, we will see the planner note and the pilot note. The second way of adding crew to the line training is an option that's available in the user profile in the tab Other. It is called Line Training in Progress. This option is useful when there's no deadline on the line training. We need to tick the checkbox and save settings. Once they are set, we may need to refresh the view. Then, after looking for our flight and assigning crew to it, the crew member is automatically assigned to the line training. The line training can be edited, and then additional information can be inserted. Once again, by clicking on it, the information will be available here. Additionally, as you can see by the color of the flight, the crew on the line training right now is not included in the crew completeness on the flight. In order to include them in the crew completeness on the flight, we need to go to the Admin panel, General Settings, Crew Planning tab, and mark one or both of the checkboxes present here, depending on whether it is cockpit or cabin crew. After that, they will be included in the completeness. Once they are included, the flight will appear in a different color, indicating that the changes have been applied.